Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be kicking off Advent calendar season with the first Advent calendar, and it is from Sugarfina. I know it's September, but you know, these are coming out a lot earlier. I think people just really like them and there's a lot of competition. We have here the 24 Tastes of Christmas by Sugarfina. And for reference, I also have my now empty Santa's Workshop. This was definitely my kids' favorite Advent calendar from last year. I did a video ranking all of them, and this was my kids' favorite. And it was, I really liked it too. This is a good one for all the families to enjoy. So here's last year's. The selection is very similar to this year's calendar. The style is also very similar. You have the 24 days leading up to Christmas. Every day is a little package and you just take the little treats out every single day. So let's put this off to the side. This one is a Gingerbread House theme versus last year's Santa's Workshop. It's a little bigger. It has a bigger presence, a bigger roof up here. And on the back, it shows you all the different treats. Just looking at it, they are very similar, actually. Okay, I think there are some new ones here. But let's go ahead and try all of these. Just a close-up look. These are little windows, and it gives you a little sneak peek into the inside. Really cute illustrations. The door opens up like so. Then there's little more illustrations. There's a little penguin there. The little elves, so cute, decorating. And got a little Santa here in the corner. Okay, I have to put my Chanel snow globe here to keep this door open. I love these types of advent calendars where it's little drawers that pull out, because you can actually refill these little boxes and put new candy in. This is what I plan to do with last year's calendar, and then I might get a third one to pick up so that my 3 boys can each get. I like that these have little drawers, and the drawers are refillable so that you can refill them and put new candy in every year. I still have this one in excellent condition from last year. Obviously all the candy's gone, but I will refill it with some new candy for my boys. So starting off with day 1, and they just go in order here, with the final day being a little bigger here at the bottom. Okay, so we have day 1. The box itself has a cute little peppermint here. Folds open, and in here we have, I think these are the dark chocolate caramels. Again, all the candies are on the back. So let's just bite into this and see. Now I'm gonna just eat one and then save the others for my kids. Okay. Okay, yeah. I taste the saltiness. There's the dark chocolate and then the caramel inside. These are really good. I like that there are 4. It gives you a good amount. Okay, here is day 2. These are the Mary Berry bonbons. It's little red, I think red gummies with the little sprinkles on here. Okay. Can you see? These are really good. You can polish these off yourself, but these are great for sharing. Okay, day 3. I wonder why these are already bent. I wonder if someone opened this. Okay, so day 3 we have, oh, little presents, little gummy gift presents. I'll show you what it looks like. I'm probably gonna eat the whole gummy here. So there's 2 yellow ones and 2 red ones. You can see the little gift box and then the bow on top. These are called holiday presents gummies. Day 4, we have another gummy. I saw that they had flamingos for one of the flavors, or one of the gummies. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. These are little Eiffel Towers. These are called raspberry Eiffel Towers, but it's like leaning. But yeah, these are raspberry flavor. You have 4 of these. Yummy, raspberry flavor. Day 5. These are 4 strawberry heart gummies. Ooh, nice little ombre effect going on. I'm showing you the inside. These are really good. Ooh, these really taste like strawberry. It's a good consistency. It's not like plasticky gummy. You know, sometimes when you get like dollar store gummy bears, it just tastes like you're chewing plastic. I don't know. Do you guys ever get that? These are really good. Strawberry hearts for day 5. Okay, we have day 6. Ooh, I love these gummies. Day 6 are petite strawberries. These are like an opaque consistency rather than the clear transparent gummies. It's almost like a moussey texture. These are so good. I'm gonna finish this. It's almost like a marshmallow. Day 7. So far, all the boxes are the same. And day 7, we have, oh wait, I messed up. Okay, I think these are the petite strawberries. Okay, so day 6 was Riptide raspberries, and these are petite strawberries. Okay, I figured they were a little different. They didn't look like strawberries. These are the petite strawberries. This one got a little mangled or melted, but you can see the little strawberry imprint on the other gummies. And similar like a marshmallow like gummy. Day 8. So this one, I don't think they had this one last year. These are flamingo gummies. Super cute. Look at that little flamingo. I love the detail of their little gummies. Oh, that's so good. So these are just called pink flamingos, but they definitely taste like grapefruit, which I love. I love grapefruit. Day 9 is another clear gummy. These look like crystals or gems. These are called pink diamonds. And there's 3 of these. Okay, so these are the pink diamonds. And I can't tell if I feel like it's also grapefruit, but I'm so bad with flavors, and now I'm just eating a bunch of gummies, so I can't really tell, but still very good. Similar to the pink flamingos. Okay, day 10, this is the first box that is a little different. It's gold in the front, and then it has this little gingerbread man here. Okay, these are called sprinkle cookies. These look like the birthday cake pops at Starbucks. So this is what it looks like up close. There's the inside. So it's a white chocolate with a little confetti sprinkle on the outside, and then inside is a little cookie bite. These are really yummy. I like that they mix chocolate and gummies in these calendars. So day 11, we have peach hearts. We have 4 of these. Their peach is always so good. It's a very accurate peach flavor, like a very authentic sweet peach, little ombre color, and then the inside. Okay, I just ate the whole thing. Okay, day 12, we have those same moussey marshmallow type gummies. So this is a peach bonbon. Oh, cute. It looks like a little peach. Oh my gosh, this tastes so good. I see peaches everywhere because I live in Georgia now, and it's like, I don't know, they love peaches down here. Okay, day 13 is another little chocolate ball. These are the cookies and cream balls. So we have 4 of these. There it is up close, cookies and cream. Oh my gosh, this tastes so good. Look at all the little layers they have. So you have the little cookie center, milk chocolate on the outside, I think, and then the white chocolate on the inside, and then maybe a dark chocolate. Really good. Cookies and cream ball. Okay, and then day 14, we have this little grandma. I think this is Mrs. Claus, maybe, in the other special gold box. And then we have another, is this the birthday cake? This is the birthday cake caramel. I think the last one was similar looking, but that was the sprinkle cookie. So this one has caramel in it. So similar on the outside, but a little bigger. Oh yeah, and then it's caramel inside. These are so rich. I love these. And day 15, we have another little special box. This one has the little penguin waving. And we have another gummy. Oh, these are the pineapple gummies. I love these. I think they call them bonbon or something. They have different names. There's pineapple. This smells so good. Like a pina colada. Yummy. Pineapple gummy. Day 16. I think these are the rainbow. Wait, these are the bears. What? Okay, I mean, so to me, these look like frogs, but on the box, the only ones similar to this are called rainbow bears. Does that look like a bear to you? I don't know. I don't even know what flavor these are at this point. I just took a big bite out of one. Yeah, pretty good. So these are either green bears or green frogs. Okay, day 17. We have more balls. Ooh, okay, these are really exciting. These are lemon shortbread cookies. That's what it's called, lemon shortbread cookie ball. And this one they definitely didn't have in last year's calendar. Lemon shortbread cookie. These are so yummy. I love lemon. It's kind of like a lemon poppy, but without the poppy. Okay, day 18 we have here, and ooh, these are watermelon slices. Okay, definitely tastes like watermelon. You got the little ombre gradient coloring going on there. Day 19 is another little special day. You got a little elf silhouette there. And oh, these are so cute. These are the little ice cream cone gummies. So you have 4. Here's a little blue ice cream cone. Yeah, these are definitely very marshmallow Like, okay, day 20. And we're in the home stretch here. We have more gummies. Okay, these are the bears. So I don't know what that other thing was because these are definitely the rainbow bears. So you have 4 different colored bears. These are definitely your traditional gummy bears. I love these teal, green, blue colors. Yummy, yummy gummies. Day 21 is, oh, little whales, so cute, blue whale gummies. You guys, I'm eating these. So here are the, oh my gosh, these are so cute. I love the little detail. Look, it looks like it's smiling. Isn't that so cute? Okay, there it is. Yummy blue whales. We have day 22. These are called Heavenly Sours. Sour gummies are my favorite types of gummies. Orange star, we have different shapes here. These are a lot stickier than those moussey, marshmallow, opaque gummies. Heavenly Sours, these are really sour. Day 23 is another little chocolate treat. These are called Santa's Donuts because they look like little, maybe a little larger than Cheerios, covered in chocolate and full-size sprinkles. These Santa's Donuts were actually the final, like the finale day on the last year's calendar. So I wonder what day 24 is. This is still day 23, the second to last day. We have Santa's donut. So a little cookie inside with a chocolate and sprinkle outside. And then the final day 24 is down here on the bottom. This is a really pretty Tiffany blue color, the entire box with the peppermint. Okay, and these are the cookies and cream cookies. I think I messed up. I think the last one I thought were cookies and cream were actually the oatmeal biscuit cookies. Okay, I'm trying. So these are 4 little cookies and cream cookies for the final day 24. I think these were in the larger box, even though I feel like it should have been Santa's donuts because these are bigger and so they just need more space. Look how cute. Looks like a real life full-sized cookie, but a miniature version. Okay, yeah, these are definitely cookies and cream. You got the chocolate inside and then the cookies and cream outside. Day 24, the finale, cookies and cream cookies. And that is this year's 2022 Sugarfina Advent Calendar. I love this Advent Calendar. I love the little drawers. I love opening this up with my kids every single day and then filling it up with new candy because we usually finish this before even we get to December. So it's a great way to try out all the different candies that Sugarfina has and, you know, maybe find your favorite. I'll link everything below. I think this retails for $60, but they often have some promos. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's at A Heated Mess. I'll always post deals and sales and promo codes. But this is the Sugarfina calendar for 2022 to kick off Advent calendar season. Let me know what you think about this Advent calendar. I hope you enjoyed watching. Let me know which Advent calendars you plan on picking up this year, if any. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.